Yeah. We're live.
Yeah.
Kia ora, Flexmere Primary. My name's Mātua Michael, as you know. Called Mātua Michael Aho. And to my left we have
William.
William. And William, what room are you in?
Room 2.
Room 2. And to my right we have
Kobe.
Kobe. And what room are you in, Kobe?
1.
Room 1. Now these guys are going to join me today for our yoga practice. So we're really excited to be sharing this with you. And even if you're not watching this live, you can watch it later on. Okay, and do it in your own classrooms. Right, let's just get this set up, guys. If you go to your spots, and let's just see, make sure that you can be seen. Yes, you can be seen. Great. If you're just joining us, kia ora. We've got William and Kobe joining us today from room 1 and 2. Now, our theme for today is courage. Okay, so courage, taking a leap. So Māia, not Māia, sorry, Māia. Pākaka, boldness. Ite te matakahi, pangāia ki te tōtara pakaru. The wedge may be small, but it will split the greatest tōtara. So it doesn't matter how small you are, you can achieve great things. So let's go with it and get into it. Courage. Right, it's going to take a leap of faith. Okay. Let's start with our karakia. So coming to the floor on your knees. And we start with whakataka te hau ki te uru, whakataka te hau ki te tonga. Kia mā kina ki uta, kia mā taratara ki tai. Ehi aki ana te atakura, he tio, he hoka, he hauhu, ti he mauri ora. Today we're going to start with some buzzy bee breaths. So we're going to breathe in through the nose and out through a zzz. In through the nose, out through a zzz. Making sure you're nice and tall and upright. Breathing in through the nose. Great. And just like any strong, courageous person, we need to have a good foundation. So we're going to start with our rock pose. So if you have a mat, you're going to the side of your mat like this, and we're going to go down into rock pose. So starting here, breathing in, and putting our palms, our hands, the tops of our hands on our mat, and forehead to papatanuku. Feeling the earth underneath you. Releasing your shoulders to the earth. This is rock pose. On the next breath, we're going to slowly come out on the exhale. Great, and just lifting up the arms. Reaching up to the sky, nice and tall, feeling that stretch down the back. And opening up sunshine arms. Placing our hands behind our back and just leaning back into that stretch, making sure that you have your hands flat on papatunuku. And next thing I want you to do is just to push up here, push up your hips, the sky, hold it, and release. Good work. Right, we're just going to move to the side and just shuffle our feet round to the front. Okay, making sure you're nice and tall and upright. Yeah, nice and tall and upright. Okay, pointing your toes to the sky. Yeah, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to lift up. Nice and tall. And then when we breathe out, going to forward fold over as far as we can. And this is our river. This is our flowing river pose. We are going deep into our flowing river. Breathing in. If you can't quite reach your toes, that's completely fine. If you want to bend your legs, that's fine too. You go where your body meets you. You go where your body meets you. Take courage. Be bold. Try hard. If you can actually stretch out your legs, then do so. Feel papatunuku underneath your sit bones, underneath your kumu. And breathing in, release. Up to the sky. And sunshine arms. Good stuff. Okay, we're now going to roll over onto our tummies. Rolling over onto our tummies into cobra pose. So making sure you're pressing the tops of your feet into the floor. You have your hands shoulder width apart, and you're just going to push up with the breath. So breathing in and exhale. And let's do 3 cycles of breath here. In. Rua. Toru. And release to the ground. Fantastic. Right, curl your toes underneath. Curl your toes underneath, and you're going to do a little bit of a press up into downward facing dog. So on your breath. So breathing in and exhale. Into downward facing dog. So when we're in downward facing dog, we can have a bit of fun with this. We can do some pedaling. Yeah. We can hip from side to side. Just feel comfortable. You might like to bend your knees a little bit. Spread your toes. Spread your fingers. Pressing into papatunuku with your heels. And let's take a nice deep breath here. And one more. Kapai. Right, just release your knees a little bit, and we're going to slowly walk your hands back towards your feet. Walking your hands back towards your feet. Breathing all the time, breathing. Hang there for a moment, and just take a moment of stillness here. Connect into the earth, connect into papatunuku. Feel her supporting you, find that balance. Close your eyes if you like, because this is quite nice, this pose. And slowly coming up. Halfway, and we're going to stick out our arms like an airplane. Keep a nice straight back. That's it. And release the fingers to the knees and slowly rolling down again. You guys are doing really great. And slowly coming up again for airplane. Being a nice, strong, bold airplane. Nice and strong. Okay. Breathe in. And hands to knees and slowly coming up one vertebrae at a time, pushing those hips forward and slowly coming up. Chin stays on the chest and then standing really nice and tall. Okay, we're going to move into the center so that you can see us properly. Feet together, and be really, really nice and tall. Really straight line. Find that alignment in your body. Okay, we're going to go into tree pose now. We're going to be really bold and courageous here and find our balance in tree pose. So in tree pose, we're going to take our left foot and we're going to just turn our left foot up against the side of our right YY. Yeah, and making sure our toe is pointing into the earth. And this is level 1. So we're going to bring our palms together at the heart space. Bringing our palms together in the heart space. This is level 1. And just take a breath here. Level 2, if you really want to be bold and courageous and try a little bit harder, you might like to lift this foot up your YY to your knee space. And you might find this challenging, you might fall out, that's completely fine. Just try to go back in. This is called tree pose. We are in tree pose. Right, let's bring this foot, slide it back down to the earth, back down to Papatunuku, and let's put our foot back on the floor. Great work, guys. And release the hands to your side, coming back to a nice tall pose. And let's try our right side. So let's try our right YY. Okay. So bringing our toe to the earth, turning out our knee, really pressing into that left side, left foot, feeling that all the 4 corners of your feet pressing into the earth, and bringing your hands to your heart space. And let's bring up to level 2 if we can. Focus forward, breathing. You guys are doing an amazing job. Your focus is wonderful. And let's release that foot slowly on the exhale. Great work. And releasing the hands back to the side. And we're going to take one big breathe in. Reaching up really high. Te rangi nui. Kia ora rangi nui, you're raining on us today. And maybe let's have some rain fingers. Wiggle those fingers. And let's bring those palms together. And we're going to slowly descend into mountain pose. This is mountain pose. We are nice and strong, courageous and bold. And let's just close our eyes here for a moment. Let's take one more breath. And we're going to bow our heads. Feel that stretch down the back of our neck. And we're going to say all together, Aroha nui. Aroha nui. Namaste, Koto, namaste. Well, thank you so much, everybody, for joining us, for joining Kobe and William and myself for our courageous, bold session today. I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday. And very shortly, I'm going to have the Taina Tui join me at 9:30 for our junior choir. We're calling it Taina Tui from now on. So hope you have a magical day. Love each other, love being back at kura, and put your best foot forward. Come on, guys. Come and say goodbye. Ka kite koutou.
Bye.
That was awesome. You guys did really well. End the stream.